Here we have a 67 plate BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We have the 20-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers, LED headlights, we have the mineral grey metallic paintwork, gloss black front grills, we also have the gloss black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit. Side skirt extensions along the bottom, we have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. The shark fin antennae up top along with the rear spoiler. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Right to the rear you find we have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust. Then taking a look now at the interior, so if you have a look at the back first, you find we have the ivory white interior. Refundable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the same leather interior for the front, and both the front seats are electrically adjustable and also both heated. Take a seat inside, you find we have the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters, we have the automatic lights and automatic wipers. We also have the dual zone climate controller just inside of here. We have the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seat buttons on either side. We have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre with all the shortcuts down here. As you can see, we have the sat nav, we have the media for the Bluetooth phone connectivity, DAB radio, automatic gearbox with the different drive modes just down here. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.